Good afternoon, Charlie. So I am in Palm City, the house on Hamilton, and this is like a gem. That's a really, really nice location, and you can see that's the view from the living room. So like that's the entrance of the house, and that's how it opens up. So maybe you can just like open up like these doors more. But anyway, it's down the road, and obviously the boat access is more important. So let me show you the. Okay, which one? This one, right?
Right.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Gecko. Okay, so now we're outside of the house, and that's the stunning view. I'm just mesmerized myself to see all of this. So you can see the neighbors, like you can see the boat over there. So that's obviously the neighbor's property. You can see this fence. So that's your property. Behind that fence is also yours. They just try to make it like fence just the area where the house sits. Otherwise it's 2 acres of land. So let me show you. That's a nice decent sized pool. I'll ask if it's heated or not. I'm not sure, but it's obviously it will be easy to make it heated. And so here we are. That's the house from this point of view. Location is stunning. I'm so glad that you saw this house. Actually, you cannot get this view of this house, like let's say in Jupiter area. If you're talking about Jupiter Island area, which does have kind of the same view. We're not talking about the ocean access, but the canal access, the intercoastal access. We're talking about millions and millions and millions of dollars, not just this fracture of the price from Jupiter. So this is the boat dock area, and you can obviously make it bigger. It will accommodate the boat 60-foot long. You can see the neighbors over there, they have the patio, screened patio, so that's possible to do. Like I said, it's mesmerizing view. And so when you sit in the living room, you're gonna see the boat, beautiful water. There's this metal Key West style roof, which is important because it's really hard to get insurance in Florida now if you have an old roof. Especially if they don't like the ceramic tile roofs. This roof looks in a good condition. Sliding doors. But it's okay because you know the only way I'm asking because of this insurance in Florida issues that we have. Yeah. And I'll ask the listing agent about the amount of insurance they pay.
Yeah, so the
so
owners
the
that are here, they've
Uh-huh.
had it for a long time.
Yeah.
So somebody getting a new quote is gonna probably not be the same.
Yeah. I'll ask my insurance company.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just because it's so close to the water.
But it's west,
Yeah.
and it's high. It's a
Mhm.
very high elevation. So you know, I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, so how can I start from? Where should I start from? Okay, so let's start. Maybe I'll take you outside of the house and show you from the entrance. First of all, you see this driveway all the way to the stop sign. That's the end of the property. So there's a long, long driveway. It goes all the way there. So this is the front of the house, and it's supposed to be 2-car garage. Most people use it as 1-car garage and lots of storage space. But obviously it depends which car do you have. But it has a lot of space just to park your cars outside of your house. No restrictions, no HOA, so you can have trucks here, trailers, so like whatever you want. It's peaceful, absolutely no noise whatsoever. No road. Okay, so when you enter the room, the house, this is wooden floor, high ceilings, and okay, the system, I guess it's security system, and that you would call it master bedroom, I believe. With the master bathroom, his and her sink, bathtub, shower. So the shower is definitely original. The doors were replaced. The tub original. Sinks replaced. Hi. It's a tile floor. And it has walk-in closet. I don't know why they have the windows. It opens up also, another door goes on to the kitchen area. This is a very convenient bar area or man cave. So they keep it, I guess it's like entertainment room, so they keep all this storage space right here. You can sit at the bar right there, enjoy the view. The view is like, I'm still mesmerized by it, and just really beautiful. Okay, so it's very convenient. There is a shower you can get from outside from the pool, and there is a shower, restroom, so that's very convenient. And this is the kitchen area. Once again, this is the same floor as in the hall, wooden floors. The way they decided to make the kitchen cabinets is like a mix of different ones. It's interesting. This sink is old, but it's like it's gonna be like indestructible for another like 30-50 years. These sinks are nice. Okay. New appliances. Electric stove, no gas. Nice big new refrigerator. And that will be a living room with a real fireplace. It's really, I believe it's working. Is it gas? I think it's a gas, yes, it is gas fireplace. You can see attached gas pipe. You can see outside nice big AC unit. Okay. It's a very interesting setup. And from the kitchen, once again, as I mentioned, you can get to this restroom from the outside area, and also two of the bedrooms can access this bathroom.